Chosen people are dangerous. Anytime you fight a chosen person, you are bound to fail. Pharaoh could not kill Moses because Moses was chosen. Joseph's brothers could not kill Joseph because Joseph was chosen. Pontius Pilate could not do anything to Jesus because Jesus was chosen. Jesus says in John 15 and 16, you did not choose me, but I chose you. Shout, I am chosen. Sometimes people think that you will not make it in this life. Don't worry about them. Just know that you are chosen by God. Rejection might have beset your life, but you are chosen by God. Psalm 118:22 says, the stone which the builders rejected